Hi and welcome to Next Day Solar. We're here in Park Royal, London, and we're here fitting 480 panels to this roof behind me. So we've done the first part of the installation, which is to sit the inverter, and then we've got the new distribution board there. So the solar energy will be coming from the roof down into the inverter and through into the consumer grid and back into the building's power. So the first thing we're doing now is laying our line. You can see we've clipped a line to the edge of the roof, and now we're running our line all the way along so we get a flat line, and that way we'll have solar panels that look nice and sharp. We've started our string. This will be a string of 15 panels, 3x5. There'll be another 15 up there, so a set of 30 here. Nice simple brackets, and that's it. We're marking them out. We're going, we've got a pair of people fitting the brackets on the roof, a pair doing the panels, and that's that. We started this journey 5 years ago, and first installation was 44 panels. This installation is 480, and hopefully the next installation will be 1,000. Over 200 kilowatts of power will be here, generating about £30,000 worth of revenue in energy terms on today's prices per year, so payback is well under 5 years. We've finished all these panels in 7 arrays, with over 1,000 screws into this sheet. Here, having to get all the panels up, there, over across the roof. So today we're going to try and finish this side. Today is day 7 of the job, and we fitted principally all of the panels. We were missing a few brackets last night, so we're just finishing off the last bit you can see there, but all faces are done. 1, 2, 3, and the balance 4. Today we'll be fitting the cable rails. Well, it's toward the end of day 7, and we've finished all the panel fitting, and we've done a lot of the strings as well. Final day tomorrow is just to get the cables into the building. So what we're actually doing now is we run all the cable down to the inverter, and now we are labelling all the strings. We've been testing all the strings. We're now going to be putting MC4 connections onto the inverter, and then it will be ready for connection and energizing on Monday morning. So that's the last step.
What we have here is obviously our inverter. We also have the consumer unit for the solar, and we have here the EPM, which is designed to control the export management. And tied a grid meter that is monitoring the grid at all times. And here what we have is a meter for the council to monitor what this site is actually producing at all times.
Right, well, we hope you enjoyed the video. That's us done at Ryan Bakery here in North London. They'll be generating hundreds of thousands of kilowatt hours of energy for years to come. If you've got a warehouse or building and you're thinking of how you can improve it, put solar on the roof. Solar panels last for 20 years. It's a really, really great way of looking after our planet for the future. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.